Hi guys, I keep making and taping video for you for this YouTube channel, and I keep speaking on your language in English, which means I'm very sorry for all my mistakes. I know it's kind of weird and hard to listen to me, but it's New York, and as I see, nobody's care. So, but still, if you will find any mistakes, please tape it in the comments. I will very appreciate it. But because I'm still keep learning. Now we are in the Brooklyn in the beauty salon, and we will make a very interesting mural. What's interesting? It's supposed to be like a font. Or this is a logo of this company, and we have like exactly sizes, proportions of logo, and it's like solid color. But background, they want me to paint like a splash and watercolor spots, like of aquarelle. In Russia, this paint name aquarelle is water-based color. And it's supposed to be like a kind of abstract and freehand things. We'll see. We'll see. I'm so excited, and I how to say it? I don't know how I will paint it. We'll see. I just know what the color is supposed to be, like a palette. Yeah, and wanna show you. Let's go. Привет!
Как пахнет! Вот сейчас очень нравится.